commands to Minecraft using Python programming? Well, first of all, you need to have a Spigot or Craft Bucket, and you can watch my previous video on how to build a Minecraft Spigot server. I'll link it below the YouTube video. Second, you need to have Python 3 installed. If you use Windows, just download the installer. Here, go to python.org and just download this, because I already have it downloaded, so I'm not gonna download it. And if you use Linux, you can do apt or yum install Python 3. And if you use Mac, like here, I'm using here, you can do a brew install Python 3. To verify you have Python 3, just open the command window and type Python 3. If you get something like this, it means it's installed correctly. Now, go to this link. I also link this below the video, and download JuicyRaspberryPie. And because I'm gonna put it in the Mac, so I'm just copy the link. So now it's downloaded. You need to put it in the plugin server, and then you just start a server. So I have this script that starts the Spigot server. The first time it runs the server and the plugin, it will create a JuicyRaspberryPie folder. So it'll error because it's the first time it runs. Now just stop it and go to plugin, go to JuicyRaspberryPie folder is just created, and edit config. Now if you in Mac or Linux, need to edit this to point Python to correct path. So this should match this. So now go back to the server folder and restart the server. So now there's no error, and I think we can use the p command. So I do a plugins. You see we have JuicyRaspberryPie plugin, and the only command it provides is p. And we do a help JuicyRaspberryPie. You only execute p, but it's the argument you provided to this p command that will execute the command you will write. So we do a p help. It says do a p list to see the list of command do p list because you don't have anything. Now we're gonna stop the server. Go to plugins, JuicyRaspberryPie's P plugins. Here, there's a README file. You can read it, and it will show you how to do this, how to add Python commands. So all you have to do is define a function with docstring that starts with _MCP, and then just save the Python program in this folder. So I'm just gonna copy this README to a Python program to test Py. Then I will add it to make it a valid Python program. The server. Log in again. Now if I do a plist, it will show I have hi and BLK. So if I do a hi, it'll print a hello. So just print a hello here. If I do a PBLK, it will create a 10. It will create this 10 block high poll. So now, what if I want to add a command or change a command? You just modify the Python program. So I'm going to stop the server. Go to plugins, JuicyRaspberryPie plugin. I'll just so instead of say hello, I'll say Chinese version of hello. 你好. A new command. I call it block 2, and instead of just create a pool all at once, I'll just create block 1 at a time on top of the one you just created. So I add a delay at each step. So sleep like 0.5 second. I've changed this to 15, so it will build a 15th high pool, but one block at a time. Save. Restart server. Okay. Relogging. We move away from here. So now, if I do a plist, it will have a BLK2 high and block. Now, if I say P high, it will say Chinese. So here, 你好 is just a hello in Chinese. If I do a PBLK, it will just because I didn't change BLK, it will still create this this pole. But if I do a PLK2, it will create a 15-story high pole, but one block at a time. So just watch. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Alright. So this is pretty much it. You can now I'm gonna demonstrate some example. So I'm gonna switch back to Windows. Because my Windows is much faster. So let me see the server. Here's the server, and there's no plugin here. Then I'm just gonna download JuicyRaspberryPie into my server directory, plugins directory here. Okay, and I'll start the server. Okay, we'll log into my server. I do a help list, no command, and I'm gonna download some example I wrote. So we go to JuicyRaspberry, because this is Windows, my config is correctly set up. So you point to Python 3.exe, and then the path is Python installation here. So I'm gonna install some example here, and I'm gonna download this 3 file. So save. Save here. I also need this just for demonstration purpose. Here. Alright, so I downloaded reload the server. So I do a plist. It says I have a flatten, banner, cube, falling block, rainbow. I have these commands. That's what I have in here. I have cube, flatten, falling block, banner, rainbow. So 5 Python function I wrote. Show you how to use this command. Oh, first flatten. Flatten basically just create flatten. So it just create one layer of block below me, and then clear everything else above. So I do plist flatten. Now it just flatten around me. And second command is cube. It just create a cube. You can specify the size or the type of material. So if I just do p cube, it'll just create a cube of stone. If I do go away from here. If I do a p cube 8 and material is 3086. That's pumpkin. Now I have a 8 by 8 by 8 pumpkin cube. I'm just gonna do flatten again to clear this. Then next function I'm gonna demonstrate is falling block. It is a gold block. A gold block is falling from the sky. So I'll just do P falling here. So a gold block is falling from the sky. Okay, it stopped in the middle of air. I think it has some room of improvement. Like don't do this. Do if it ever touch something, it'll stop falling. If not, it just keep falling. So. Okay, next function I'm demonstrating is a rainbow. It's copied directly from this address. So I do p rainbow. It will create a rainbow. Rainbow again. It will create a second rainbow. Duh. So 2 rainbow. Now this final one I will demonstrate is called banner. It's just something flatten. How about 100? What? Oh, slow. So the banner command, it says display a word banner made of block. Oh, what does it mean? Oh. To a p banner. Hello. It will create. It will create a hello. You can even create a block made of different like Chinese character. Like I do here. P banner. 你好. Oh. I think I'm gonna switch to a. Hold on a second. I have to use Forge. So I'll do P, let's see, size is 32, and the foreground color will be gold, background will be diamond. Oh, I can't. I think I'm stuck. Oh. That's Chinese for ni hao. That's Chinese for hello. Made of gold and diamond block. Alright, that's it. And hope you can take advantage of this plugin and create your own command with Python.